I am at the National Farm Machinery Show in Louisville, and I found a cutter bar that is unlike any other cutter bar that I have seen before. This is the system here. I see lots of things that are different. The first is these guards. Kyle, tell me how these guards are different from the usual.
The biggest difference with the guards are they're made on spring steel, not cast like your standard OEM guards.
That's awesome.
And also, we also bolt from top to bottom for rigidity, and also the spring steel will actually give a little bit if you hit a rock in the field. It'll hold up better than what the cast does.
Absolutely. So I noticed that these sections also are flipped upside down, every other one. Why is that?
By our design, the way the guards are mounted, we can actually have that sickle inside, and it'll free float and press against itself.
Okay.
By us doing that, we don't have to have any hold down clips, no shims, no adjustments whatsoever.
Okay, and then these rollers definitely stand out to me. They're different from the typical. What do these rollers accomplish?
Basically what the rollers are doing is they're replacing the wear plates on the system.
Okay.
General systems, everything rides metal to metal wear, which has a lot of drag. The rollers just eliminate all that.
Okay.
A lot less horsepower, it's easier on the machine itself.
Okay, so what is this system called?
This is the Schumacher cutter bar.
Okay, and where's it made? Or
it's actually a German-made product.
Okay.
We've been distributing this product for 30 years.
Very good. Let's see what else you have to offer.
Thank you.
SI Distributing also offers a variety of planter upgrades. Several of them are on display here. Kyle, can you highlight some of them here?
I can. What we try to do at SI Distributing is I don't want to sell every nut and bolt that's on every planter or combine. We're going to pick and choose aftermarket attachments that we feel are going to better yield and profit for farmers.
Sure.
So we're going to start with the Martin row cleaner. I mean, that's the only one we distribute. The reason we do that is it's in our opinion, it's the best well-built row cleaner on the market.
Okay.
I don't have issues with bearings, bearing issues. I don't have bent frames. That's why we stick to that.
Okay.
What's important about the row cleaners is you want to keep that residue from the trench, okay?
Right.
Because it'll hair up into a seed and it won't grow. While we're up here, we can talk about precision point and clean sweep that we carry. Basically what we can do is from the cab, this controller will be up there. You can either lighten the row cleaner if you want, you can put down pressure on it.
Okay.
You can also completely just lift it out of the row if you don't want to use it at that time. So that's something that we've carried for a long time, very proud of those products.
Sure.
Brand new to Martin is going to be their razor wheel.
Okay.
It's just a different style wheel that's brand new. It does more of a residue cutting. So if you're getting real heavy cover crops, that type of thing, that's the option you're going to go with. The next wheel, we have a Mudsmith gauge wheel. What that's really designed for, if you get into a wet, harsh harvest where you got mud packing up between your disc open and your gauge wheel, you want the open design to allow that mud out less
Definitely.
While precision planting, we carry their Keaton seed firmers, all their seed tubes. We carry their EasyCut product. Precision planting doesn't need any explanation from us. They're a well-known company, and we're very happy to be partnered with them.
Okay.
The next product I'll talk about is actually our finger till wheel. It's something we've actually sold for 8 years. It's been probably our best closing wheel seller the last 3. What's very important about that is going to be the spike. We're going to break down the sidewall with it. We also have side fins in here. It just fine tunes the soil. So that by far is probably our #1 closing wheel. I feel it's the best one on the market today.
Okay.
A new blade that we're kind of been working on here for the last year is it's a Ptt Blade. It's a really unique design, something nobody's ever seen before. It just does when it's penetrating the soil, it does a better job of cutting residue, less hairpinning. It also serrates the sidewalls exits, less sidewall spear. It's just better for the crop.
Okay. So SI Distributing has a really cool story about how it was founded and started. Can you share that with us?
Yeah, SI Distributing started by Joe Whitney in 1979. Joe was actually a John Deere dealer.
Okay.
And his vision was to make an original planter, an OEM planter, better. And he just started making products out of his John Deere dealership, and that's really where it grows to.
Wow.
And our vision, in my opinion, is the same as what it was back then. We just want to sell the products that make farmer more profit and better yield.
Okay, so if someone wants more information or wants to purchase one of these products, where should they start?
You can call our 800 number, 1-800-368-7773.
Okay.
You can check out our website, www.sidist.com.
Very good.
Or you can visit one of our 2,000 dealers across the country.
Okay, thank you.